friends, I am Tulasi. I am from grade 6. Today I would like to explain about structure of torchlight and its working. Any torchlight contains a long barrel with 2 or 3 cells. The front part of the torch has a shining reflector with a small bulb. The torch contains a simple circuit with a bulb, electric cells and a switch. The cells are placed one above the other with opposite terminals. The torch will glow when the side switch pushed forward. When the switch is pushed backward, then it breaks the circuit and the bulb stops glowing. When you are using the torch, we have to check whether the positive terminal of the cell always touches the negative terminal of the cell. Cells convert chemical energy into light energy. Thank you.